Write the equation involved in the following reactions: Reimer-Tiemann reaction, and second is Williamson synthesis. So, a Reimer-Tiemann reaction, formylation of phenols with chloroform in alkaline solution, is known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So here we have the phenol, and in the presence of chloroform plus aqueous of NaOH, it gives this product, and after when we pass this product with H positive ions, it gives the major product, that is this. And in Williamson synthesis, it is an organic reaction forming an ether from an organ halide and a deprotonated alcohol, that is alkoxide. As here the electrons of oxygen will get attached to this, and formation of product is here.